Hello friends, welcome again in online sessions of all hydraulic and pneumatic. Myself Praveen Jinjala from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we will discuss about the different types of hydraulic fluid which is used in hydraulic system. There are the many types of hydraulic fluid available in market. So selections of hydraulic fluid according to requirement and applications of hydraulic system. So let's start our session. First of all, we discuss about the what is functions of hydraulic oil. There are the basically two functions of hydraulic fluid. First one is primary and second is secondary. Primary functions of hydraulic fluid is to transmit the power as like the pressure and motion transmission. Second function is signal transmission for control. So the basically utilizations of hydraulic oil in hydraulic system for transmitting the power which is from one component to another component, and second as like the transmission of signal for automatic controlation or for operating of different types of control valve. Second function is secondary. So the secondary function is used for the as a lubrication, because due to the continuously motion and continuously motion of relative motion between the different components of hydraulic components, there will be friction and wear out. So reduced by friction and wear out by utilizations of lubricant properties of hydraulic fluid. Next property is heat transport, because due to the continuously motions of hydraulic system or continuously operations of hydraulic system for long duration of time, there will be create the heat or generate the heat. So remove by heat or by utilizations of hydraulic fluid. Next is transport of particle of to the filter, because due to the continuous operation, due to the wear and tear and due to the friction, there will be some suspended particle in present. So it will be removed by utilizations of fluid. Next one is protection of surface from chemical attack and especially corrosion. Due to the utilizations of hydraulic system and component and due to the weather condition, it will be protect of hydraulic system from chemical attacks. So this was the about your functions of hydraulic fluid as like the primary and secondary. So mainly we utilizations of hydraulic fluid for power transmission and secondary function as a lubrication, as a heat transport or as a protection from atmosphere, etc. Now we will discuss about the requirement of hydraulic fluid. What is the requirement? So according to function, requirement is it is used for good lubrication characteristic. Viscosity should not be depend strongly on temperature and pressure. Good heat conductivity, low heat expansion coefficient, because at a higher temperature its property will be remain constant. Then after the large elasticity modulus. So this was the requirement according to function. Second requirement according to economic, because we are using large amount of hydraulic fluid in hydraulic system, so it will be economical for particular application as like the small applications and large application. In large application near to 100 liter hydraulic oil use, so it will be economical as like the low price and slow aging and the thermal and chemical stability for long life cycles, because the utilizations of hydraulic fluid for hydraulic system particular 2 year and 5 years. So it will be economical and long life. Next function according to requirement is safety, because we are using hydraulic system continuously for long durations of time. So it will be safe as like the high flash point, or it in certain cases not inflammable at all, because we are using hydraulic system for long durations of time. So due to the long duration operation, there will be generated of large amount of heat. So it will be safe according to operator and according to system life. Next is chemical neutrals, because due to the continuous operation and weather condition, there will be many contaminants added due to the continuously operation. So it will be chemically neutral. Next one is low air dissolving capacity, because due to the continuously contact between the hydraulic fluid and atmospheric air, so it will be low air dissolving capacity. And last requirement is environmental friendliness, because we are continuously using hydraulic fluid, so it will be low environmental pollution or no environmental harm and no toxic effect to the operators or human life or atmosphere. So it will be environmental friendly, or we can also say that it will be eco-friendly for operations of environment. Now we will discuss about the types of hydraulic fluid. There are the many types of hydraulic fluid available in market according to requirement and according to application. First hydraulic fluid as a well known as like the water. Water we can also utilization for as a hydraulic fluid in hydraulic system. Second one is petroleum based fluid. It's also called a mineral oils. Third one is emulsion. Fourth one is water glycol. Fifth one is synthetic fluid. Sixth one is vegetable oil. Seventh one is biodegradable hydraulic fluid. And last one is about the fire resistance hydraulic fluid. In next session, we will continuously discuss about the different types of hydraulic fluid in detail. So in first we are taking as a water as a hydraulic fluid. It is the clear and easily available and available in all places. So water, it can be utilizations with additives. What is requirement of additive? Because our required property cannot be fulfilled with utilizations of water. So we should add the additives for our proper requirement of properties of hydraulic fluid. Next one is, it is oldest fluid. In past year, as like the 1000 years or 100 years ago, there will be hydraulic system utilizations was as a water, but there the performance is decreased compared to conventional and recent available of hydraulic fluid. And it is utilizations as like the fire explosive or fire danger or hygienic as like the food, pharmaceutical industry or textile industry or mining, because it is a inflammable or it is the fire resistance fluid. So we can easily utilizations at a dangerous place. Second types of hydraulic fluid also is like the water. Advantages of water: no environmental pollution, easily available or it is cheaper than other hydraulic fluid, no fire or explosion danger, availability everywhere, because in all over world water is available in every place compared to the other types of hydraulic fluid. And major advantages of water compared to other fluid is it is 4 times larger heat conducting coefficient than the mineral oil. So it is the major advantages of water as a hydraulic fluid. Second advantages is 2 times higher compression modulus than the mineral oil. So it is second advantages. And viscosity doesn't depend strongly on temperature. This is the also major advantages, because the continuously operation, it will be increase the temperature. So it will be stable viscosity. Now we will discuss about the disadvantages of water. First disadvantage is bad lubrication or bad lubricator, because the water is not a higher lubricant compared to the mineral oils. Second disadvantage is low viscosity. So it will be creating problems of as like the sealing or low energy losses, or we can also say the corrosion dangerous compared to mineral oils. Then after the next disadvantages is cavitation dangers compared to mineral or fire resistant fluid, and limited temperature interval for application, because after the some temperature, as like after the 50 degree centigrade, water will be easily evaporate. So the properties will be loose compared to the mineral and fire resistance fluid. So this was the disadvantages of water. Next one is petroleum based oil, or it's also called mineral oil. It is easily available from the crude oil. We are extracting as like the crude oil for utilizations of automobile, as like the petrol, diesel or gasoline. So same the petroleum based oil also available from crude oil, or we can also separate by utilizations of different methods. Main reason for utilizations of petroleum based or mineral based oil is it is widely used for hydraulic system, because our required property easily fulfilled with utilizations of petroleum based or mineral oil, and its most desirable properties compared to the water and biodegradable oil. And it can be utilization by with and without additives. If we are using with additives, so properties we can also increase according to requirement. So it can be utilization for small scale hydraulic or large scale hydraulic system. And it is also conventional use as like the stationary hydraulic system. And always mixture of different oil often with the additives. So it is advantageable. And additives used for in hydraulic system for improve the life durations of hydraulic fluid, decrease the corrosion, improve the temperature, depends on viscosity and other parameter. So additives mainly used for the increase the required properties of particular fluid, because our required property we cannot fulfill with utilizations of only for one fluid. So we should to always add the additives for improve the properties. If let's take one example. I am utilization petroleum based oil and its temperature range is tentative 650 degree centigrade. But I want to utilization it for 1000 degree centigrade. So I have to add the additives for improve the its operating temperature range. So that is the requirements of additives in hydraulic system. Advantages of petroleum based or mineral oil, it is good lubrication because we are extracting from crude oil. So it has a good lubrication properties. Second one is high viscosity, and it is advantages for sealing or bed for losses, and cheaper, easily available with petroleum or crude oil, and easily we can extract and easily we can transport compared to the biodegradable oil. Disadvantages of petroleum based is it is inflammable because we are extracting from crude, so it is inflammable. And environmental pollution, if there will be leakage of petroleum based oil, so it will be create the pollution, and at a high temperature it will be evaporate or lost the chemical and stability and oxidation. Next, hydraulic fluid is emulsion. Meaning of emulsion is mixing of two fluid that don't chemically reaction with others. So according to requirement or by required property, we should mix the two fluid. So it's called emulsion, mixing two fluid that will be not chemically reaction with other. Well-known examples of emulsion is petroleum based oil and water as a commonly used. There is the two types of emulsion. Oil in water as like the 5:95 ratio. Second one is water in oil 40:60 ratio emulsion, or it's also called a inverse emulsion. Now we will discuss in detail. First one is oil in water emulsion, or it's also called a 5:95 ratio. What is meaning of 5:95? 5 means 5% oil and 95 means 95% water. So meaning of oil in water emulsion, 5% will be oil and 95% will be water. And water as a main constituent phase, or water as a work as a main phase of oil. Used as a low speed pump or high displacement pump. Limitations of it is poor viscosity because the water content is only for 5%. Oil content will be only for 5% and water content will be 95%. Leading to the leakage problem because the comparative to lower viscosity, lost in volumetric efficiency, poor lubrication property because as like the low quantity of oil and high quantity of water. And that problem can be removed by adding some additives, and we can also improve the properties of oil in water emulsion. Second types of emulsion is water in oil emulsion, or it's also called an inverse emulsion, or we can also say the 40:60 ratio. So meaning of 40, it means 40% water and 60% oil. So the properties of water in oil compared to the oil in water, it's higher because here the oil quantity is 60% and water quantity will be 40%. Oil as a main phase because the maximum quantity of oil utilization, and most popular fire resistance fluid because we can also utilization at a higher temperature its property, and good viscosity and lubrication property because the maximum quantity of water, and good for operating at a 25 degree centigrade. So there is the some limitations of water in oil emulsion. First is high temperature water will be evaporated. So this is the main disadvantages of water in oil emulsion and lead to the losses of resistance property. So we cannot utilization at a higher temperature. Next hydraulic fluid is water glycol, means ratio of water and glycol will be 1:1, means 50% water and 50% glycol utilization, and it is non-flammable fluid, and common applications of water glycol is aircraft hydraulic system because the required property it will be fulfilled by utilizations of water glycol solution. Advantages of water glycol, it is non-flammable, so we can easily utilization in aircraft or aircraft hydraulic system, and very good for low temperature application. We can also use it at a lower temperature, and high anti-freezing characteristic. So we can also utilization at a low temperature. It's like the 5 to 10 degree centigrade. Here the advantages, so there will be some also disadvantages. It not suitable for high temperature. We cannot utilization at a 600 or 700 degree centigrade. So that is the limitations of water glycol solution, and prone to oxidation because so there will be 50% available of water. So it will be corrosive or oxidation nature, and need to add oxidation inhibitor because we are utilizations of water, so it will be corrosive nature, and toxic and corrosive. So glycol is some amount of toxic compared to water as a hydraulic fluid. Next one is synthetic fluid, means it is based on phosphate ester. If we are preparing hydraulic fluid on basis of phosphate ester, so it's called synthetic hydraulic fluid. Advantages of synthetic hydraulic fluid is it is fire resistance. So we can also utilizations at a higher temperature, and it is suitable for higher temperature application as like the near to 600 to 700 degree centigrade, and it is good viscosity and lubricant characteristic compared to the emulsion fluid. There is some disadvantages of synthetic fluid as like the not suitable for low temperature, as like the we cannot operate at a 0 degree centigrade compared to water emulsion because the at a lower temperature it will be lose its properties. Next one is not compatible with common sealing material as a nitrile because it is the reactive fluid compared to the component, and it is expensive, not a environmental friendly compared to water because it will create the environmental pollution and attack the aluminum and paint. So we cannot utilizations of component of aluminum compared to the other fluid. Next one is vegetable oil. It is well known hydraulic fluid, easily available, almost location we have available of vegetable oils, more environmental friendly because it will not create the environmental pollution, and we can also say that it is biodegradable oil. So that is the main advantages of vegetable oil. Advantages of vegetable oil: good lubrication properties, moderate viscosity. So viscosity not a higher or not a lower. So at a average or middle scale hydraulic system we can utilizations of vegetable oil. It is less expensive because it is available in special Indian location. We have available different types of vegetable oil for hydraulic system, and good fire resistance characteristic with compared to the water, and easily oxidize and absorb the moisture. So it is the properties for absorb the moisture content, and it will be stability compared to the mineral oil. Disadvantage is corrosive and sludge formation more serves to compare to the mineral oil because its nature is corrosive and formation due to its property and need the good additives and inhibitor to minimize the oxidation problem because its property is to easily oxidize and absorb the moisture content. So there will be moisture will be present. So it will be oxidative nature. So we should have to add the inhibitor or additives for our proper requirements of hydraulic fluid. And last one is biodegradable hydraulic fluid. It is environmental friendly, or we can also say it is bio-based hydraulic fluid. So there is the two types of biodegradable hydraulic oil, natural and synthetic. We have also available from nature and we can also prepare for our requirement. It is environmental protection, water protection, agriculture machinery and mobile hydraulic. So it is the applications of biodegradable hydraulic fluid and characteristic is similar to mineral oil but more expensive. So we can also utilizations in compare with mineral oil, but our current production or current fluid preparation cost is higher compared to the mineral oil. Examples of biodegradable hydraulic fluid is like the sunflower, rapeseed, soybean. So this session was about the introduction and classifications of hydraulic fluid. What is the requirement of hydraulic fluid, properties of hydraulic fluid and comparison between the hydraulic fluids. Thank you.